Factors to consider when using wood that sinks in water. You're an ambitious woodworker, passionate about creating stunning pieces that showcase the beauty and versatility of wood. Contrary to popular belief, you've heard whispers about a mystical type of wood that sinks in water. Curiosity piqued, and you set off on a quest to learn more about this elusive material. Welcome, inquisitive woodworker, to your ultimate resource on the considerations when using wood that sinks in water. Introduction to sinking wood. Wood may float or sink in water, but what exactly separates these two categories? As you may have guessed, it all comes down to the density of the wood relative to the density of water. Highly dense wood species possess unique characteristics not found in their lighter counterparts. In short, sinking wood is denser than water, making it a unique and sought-after material for certain applications. However, there are several factors one must consider when working with sinking wood. The science behind sinking wood: density. Water has a density of 1 gram per cc. For wood to sink, its density must be greater than that. Although most wood species have a density lower than water, there are few that surpass this threshold, opening up a world of possibilities for those willing to explore these rarities. But why are these woods denser than water? A combination of factors, including the wood's structure and the concentration of lignin and cellulose within it, are responsible for this property. Types of sinking wood. Lignum vitae, Guaiacum officinale. Lignum vitae, native to the Caribbean and the northern coast of South America, is also known as the tree of life, and is a truly exceptional wood species. Lignum vitae boasts an unrivaled combination of strength, durability, and density, making it the perfect choice for applications where these qualities are essential. Key characteristics. Density. Topping the charts with a density ranging between 1.2 to 1.4 grams per cc, Lignum vitae is the densest wood in the world. Working properties. Its oily composition yields a natural lubrication that allows for smooth cutting and minimal tool wear, despite its extreme hardness, up to 4,500 pounds on the Janka scale. Color. Lignum vitae exhibits a beautiful range of colors, from a pale yellow heartwood to a deep, rich green. Applications. Its outstanding properties make it ideal for heavy-duty engineering applications such as bearings, propeller shafts, and mallet heads. Additionally, its vibrant colors make it a popular choice for ornamental turning and heirloom woodworking projects. Black ironwood, Olea laurifolia. Black ironwood, found in the southern regions of Africa, comes in as a close second for the title of the world's densest wood. Known for its attractive dark color and exceptional resistance to wear, black ironwood has carved out a niche among artisans and industrialists. Key characteristics. Density. With a density of approximately 1.2 grams per cc, black ironwood is one heavyweight contender. Working properties. This species is notoriously difficult to work with, as its extreme density, Janka hardness of 3,670 pounds, poses challenges for cutting and shaping. Color. As the name suggests, black ironwood displays a range of dark brown to black hues, often accented with streaks of lighter brown. Applications. Due to its remarkable resistance to wear, black ironwood is perfect for applications such as railroad ties, construction materials, and precision-engineered parts. Its highly attractive appearance also makes it an apt choice for custom furniture, sculpture, and turning projects. Brazilian ebony, Diospyros sp. Brazilian ebony, found in the tropical regions of Central and South America, is characterized by its extreme hardness and rich dark color. This highly sought-after material lends itself perfectly to furniture making and other woodworking projects, where both form and function are paramount. Key characteristics. Density. Brazilian ebony's density averages around 1.1 grams per cc, making it an impressive heavyweight in the world of woodworking. Working properties. Due to its extreme hardness, up to 3,840 pounds on the Janka scale, Brazilian ebony can be quite challenging to work with. Color. Exhibiting a deep, dark brown color with streaks of black, Brazilian ebony is strikingly beautiful and adds sophistication to any woodworking project. Applications. Its toughness, stability, and attractive appearance contribute to its popularity in the areas of high-end furniture making, cabinetry, and flooring. Moreover, its tonal qualities also make it an ideal choice for crafting musical instruments. Sourcing and sustainability. Given the rarity and high demand, the sustainability of sinking wood species has become a critical consideration. Organizations like FSC and PEFC work to promote responsible forestry, ensuring the long-term availability of these woods without harming the environment. Before purchasing sinking wood, verify that your supplier is adhering to sustainable practices and holds certifications from such organizations. Working with sinking wood. Though highly desirable, sinking wood can pose challenges during woodworking. The density and hardness can quickly dull standard tools and make shaping and cutting a laborious task. Hand tools like chisels, goulettes, and hand planes, made from high-quality metal alloys or carbide tipped, can help overcome these challenges. Other tips for working with sinking wood include using slower cutting speeds, more frequent sharpening of tools, and allowing for ample drying time to avoid warping or cracking. Applications and potential use cases. Sinking wood is well suited for a variety of applications, including intricately carved furniture, heavy-duty industrial components, musical instruments, and luxury flooring. These woods' longevity, resistance to wear and decay, and overall beauty lend themselves to projects that require lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Expert tips and tricks. Make responsible choices by exploring alternative local species with similar characteristics to minimize the environmental impact. Connect with other woodworkers to share knowledge and experiences when dealing with sinking wood. You never know what clever tips you might learn from fellow enthusiasts. Regularly monitor your tools and equipment to extend their life and ensure accurate, clean cuts, especially when working with sinking wood.